So what happens if your chain comes off mid-cycle? Ideally your chain shouldn't come off mid-cycle if everything's been adjusted properly. But if it does, the important thing to note is don't put heavy pressure on the pedals. If the chain comes off from the front, if you're very gentle, keep rolling with the bike and then drop the gear down and be very gentle, it'll just go back on. Okay? The same is for if it comes off the bottom ring. Again, you don't put heavy pressure on the pedals. Just keep rolling the bike and then change the gear up. It will come back on itself. If it comes off from the back at the bottom, it normally means your gears aren't adjusted properly. That shouldn't really happen. If it does, stop, and again, don't put too much pressure on the tires because you can damage the frame, or if it's on the lighter gears, the chain can go into the wheel and damage your spokes. So if you hear it crunching, any unusual noises, lessen the pressure on the pedals is the main message there.